What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can probably tell from the title of this video, we are not working on the E30, even though I promise we're going to be working on the E30 in the next video. But we are actually working on this beautiful X5M right here. This car actually belongs to a friend of mine, and he's been wanting to do a lot of work to it. So that's what we're going to be getting done in today's video. We got a couple things to do on it, such as downpipes, brake pads, and a tune, because he's been wanting to get it a little bit faster and a little bit louder as well. We might throw like a aggressive burble tune on there or something like that, because he said he wanted like a little bit of burble. So hopefully everything goes well. I believe this is a 2021, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's a 2020 or 2021. So it's basically a brand new car, and for those who don't know, it's actually kind of hard to get these things tuned, because you have to take the computers out of the car, which this has two computers, two ECUs, and you have to send them somewhere to get bench unlocked, because the factory locks them in a specific way, and then you have to unlock them in order to tune them later on, which I already did before even starting this video. I took those ECUs out, I sent them to a place called Cedar Performance, and then they sent it out to the only place in the world, I believe it's in Finland or Denmark, to a company that bench unlocks these ECUs, because there's a specific way of unlocking them, and they are the only ones that can do it. I've been waiting a month, I believe, for those ECUs to be done, and they're finally in, and we can finally get them installed and get the rest of the parts on the car and get it finally tuned. I'll show you guys the ECUs and the downpipes in just a minute, but let's check this X5 out real quick. This thing is so nice. For those who don't know, this has the same engine as like the F90 M5s, so it's already really fast to begin with, and hopefully in this video we're gonna get it a little bit faster. But yeah, check out that color. It's been parked here for a little while actually, with the battery disconnected, because obviously we can't take the ECUs out without disconnecting the battery. I've had a car cover on it this whole time, because in order to disconnect the battery, you gotta go through the trunk, and the trunk has to stay a little bit open to do that. So I had to get a car cover on there just because of all the rain and stuff like that, so no rain gets in there. Let me go ahead and show you the ECUs and the downpipes that we got. ECUs are packaged up real nice, so huge shout out to Cedar Performance for that. So these are the two stock ECUs right here. I honestly have no idea why BMW uses two ECUs, but I do know they only use them for the V8 models. But yeah, nothing special, just ECUs, and they went ahead and bench unlocked them. I really don't know the process to that. I mean, I wish I did. We wouldn't have to send them out. One thing I forgot to mention is, just to send them out and get them bench unlocked, they cost $3,000. So just keep that in mind. It's $1,500 per ECU, and this has two ECUs, so that's crazy. I don't know. So yeah, the ECUs are finally good to go, and then this box has the downpipes in there. So we can go ahead and open these up. Let's see how these things look. These downpipes are actually from Active Auto Work, which, if you guys don't know what Active Auto Work is, they make a bunch of cool products for BMWs, actually for a lot of cars, not just BMWs. But check out the quality in these downpipes. I mean, you get what you pay for. Either way, they don't really even sell cheap downpipes for this specific car. So if you want to do downpipes, you gotta go with a good brand like Active Auto Work. It says for race use only. Yeah, like that's gonna happen. But yeah, those are the downpipes. Really nice. Hopefully they go on very easily, because I really don't want to spend hours and hours putting some downpipes on, but I don't think it will be too hard. So we'll get those on there after I get these ECUs on there, and after I get you guys some sound clips and some drive-bys or flybys, because I want you guys to see how it sounds. Obviously the camera won't catch it that well, but still want you guys to see the difference between before and after. But before I can throw those ECUs in, here's a quick little word from our sponsor. What is up, you guys? I just wanted to take a quick minute of your time to talk about the sponsor of today's video, and that is none other than Simply Carbon Fiber. If you guys have been watching the channel, you definitely know who Simply Carbon Fiber is, but if you don't, it is all in their name. They make a bunch of awesome carbon fiber products, like phone cases, glasses, all kinds of cool stuff. A cool product that they recently sent out for me is this new carbon fiber watch. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but just check that out. That whole black part right there is carbon fiber, and I am loving this thing. It's in a cool little rose gold color, as you guys can see. Simply Carbon Fiber always has the best packaging, to be honest. Just check out the cool packaging that they sent this out in. I am honestly loving this thing. So huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for sending out this awesome new watch. If you guys are interested in a new watch such as this one, or even a cool carbon fiber phone case, AirPod case, whatever cool carbon fiber product you can think of, they make. So make sure you guys check out their website. The link will be down below. Use my code TOT10 to save 10% at checkout. As always, thank you Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, without further ado, let me go ahead and throw those ECUs back into the X5, get that thing started up, and get some sound clips and some flybys for you guys. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got both of the ECUs installed, connected the battery up again, and got the car started. The car runs perfectly fine, so obviously the ECUs are good, started up normally and everything. So I'm just gonna let it warm up a little bit and then give you guys some sound clips and then some flybys, and then we'll move on from there. But just check out how nice this damn thing looks, guys. I think these cars come with like 615 or 620 horsepower, something like that, which a lot of people wouldn't even realize this thing makes that much power because it's a freaking SUV, but it does, and we're gonna get more power out of it. So let me go to let that thing warm up real quick, and then we'll get cousin George, who's over here organizing stuff. He'll get some clips of, like some sound clips, and then I'll do some flybys. What's up, cousin George?
What's good, what's good?
We got 21 salvage in the house.
21 salvage, baby.
He's over here organizing the toolboxes. I don't know if I showed you guys last time, but I got a new toolbox. Right, George?
Yeah, right.
Paid a little too much for the toolbox, but I mean, a little bit. Got all snap-on tools besides these Mac tools right here, because I like those Mac screwdrivers. Yeah, a little something. We gotta tell the good people to subscribe and like the video because we gotta pay that toolbox off somehow, right, George?
Yeah, guys, we gotta like, subscribe, comment down what you guys want to see more on the videos, you know, just so we can help make you guys happier with the content.
We could do a bunch of random cool videos. Let me know if you guys want to see like a salvage title car build, huh, George?
Yeah, for example, this is the only clean title car I have, by the way, and it's in the worst condition possible.
Yeah, this is an E36 M3 for you guys who don't know. That's my E30 back there, and then we got Audemars E46 M3 just big chilling right here. Let us know if you guys want to see like some cool rebuilds or something like that. We might pick up like a salvage title car and just mess around with it. I don't know, we'll see.
I like the sound of salvage.
We'll see. But I think the car is warmed up now, George. Let's go ahead and get these good people some sound clips and some flybys or something, huh?
Alrighty.
By the way, this car hasn't been driven in this past month while we were waiting for the ECU, so definitely needed a good warm up. Here you go, cameraman. Let's see what this thing's got.
For an SUV, that thing's flying. It's like Pilot or something.
Get inside, let's see how this launch control works.
Holy shit.
We're gonna go ahead and pull it in this bay. Let it cool down because I think we warmed it up a little too much, and then start working on those downpipes. Forgot to mention, this is actually a competition package. I don't know if they all come competition or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing cool down and just get straight to work. Alrighty guys, shout out to the help of George. We finally got the downpipes on there. Everything is installed correctly, and I even went ahead and checked for leaks and stuff like that. I already started it once just to do that, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick little startup for you guys. Go ahead and start it, George. Sounds pretty loud already. But yeah, we're gonna let it warm up real quick and then we'll get it outside and see how it sounds. All right guys, the car is warmed up a little bit, so we're gonna give you guys a few more revs while it's on Sport Plus mode or Sport mode, whatever this thing has, because it opens up the exhaust a little bit. So go ahead and check it out.
Bro, that's insane.
So we still have to tune this thing, but let me go ahead and do like a quick little slow flyby because it's obviously raining outside. So.
Still pretty loud.
Those guys were recording over there. I don't know if they were recording as a bad thing or...
I don't know, did they have smiles on their faces?
Seems like they were caring. No. Alright, we gotta tune it now.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, we're back at it again. Today we
Another one.
Today's video I'm gonna share
I don't like opening my pen.
this nice white BMW
550.
550.
Not a 550, Clyde. It's a good try.
Real nice shade of tan. I like it myself. But anyway, let's move on. Let's move on to the better car. This is
gonna be interesting.
this is in fact a very interesting car.
Yes, go ahead and explain it.
Look at the color. Can you see?
I can see it.
What color is
It
it?
is blue. It
It is a blue car. That's right. Let's see if it opens.
does not open.
Look at the safety feature. It doesn't open because it's locked.
What a great safety feature. Then we had it since 1950.
Safe.
Oh, wow. You saw that?
When
Let's
you
open
move
it
to the
up.
back, it opens up.
Wow. Look at that. Hang on. We gotta get that new car smell. Put your finger in there.
Who's
Put your
doing
nose
this?
in
You
there.
want to take over?
Yeah, I'll take over.
Take over. Let's go.
Oh, okay. That was good enough for me.
Hey, close
Okay,
that
so-
door real quick. Close that door real quick.
That's the owner of the car.
You gonna start it?
They just f***ed up the video, bro.
Go stand in the back. Go stand in the back, Hutch.
Not that loud.
Say it louder, Clyde. We
What I'm
can't
trying
hear
to
you.
say is this is a pretty cool car.
Alright guys, today is actually the next day from that last clip and I got the X5 behind me. I know I didn't show you guys like the tuning process or anything, but I've done that a million times on this channel and I doubt you guys want to see that again, but I already went ahead and tuned the car. Boot Mode from Pro Tuning Freaks actually has a tune for this car and it's honestly pretty damn good. It runs pretty good. It doesn't like bog or anything like that. So yeah, the X5 is finally tuned and ready to go. It sounds so good. The last few clips there wasn't any tune on it, so that was just like the stock sound with the aftermarket downpipes, the active auto work downpipes. But now you can hear a little bit more of the turbo spool in the exhaust note. I don't know how well the camera will pick that up, but hopefully it picks that up for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up, let it warm up, and then I'll do a couple like revs for you guys so you guys can see how it sounds. And then I actually have one more video coming out on this car, which will probably come out in a couple days, to be honest, where we have to do an oil change, we have to change the front brakes, and we're gonna be lowering the car on H&R Sport Springs. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video, which will be out in a few days. All right, since it's warmed up now, I'm gonna rev it a little bit for you guys. Hopefully that picked up well on camera. It probably might not seem that loud on camera, but it's pretty loud in person, to be honest. Even though it has like the stock muffler and stuff like that on there, I believe it has resonators too on there. Yeah, it sounds pretty damn good, to be honest. And in person, you can really hear the spool of the turbos. I think I'm gonna tease you guys a little bit. I'm gonna end this video a little bit short. I'm gonna end it right here, only because I really don't want to be like punching it or anything like that, because the car hasn't had an oil change for a few thousand miles and I really want to get that oil change done. So we're gonna wait till the next video to do runs and pulls or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. here and teach you guys with just those sound clips, because I think that's good enough for this video. And then in the next video, we'll get the rest of the stuff done, like the springs, the oil change, the brakes, and we'll move on from there, and we'll get you guys some better sound clips. I'll probably get like some B-roll footage for you guys and some flybys, some cool stuff in the next videos. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the X5. Subscribe and like the video if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.